Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this video we will learn how to use the pagination in Laravel and why we use the pagination in Laravel. So in the previous video we have already learned how to show the records from the database in Laravel. So in this video we will use the pagination. So let us learn why we use the pagination in Laravel. Suppose we have records in the database. For example, we have records the 100 users or 1000 users in the database, and we will show the users from the database in Laravel view. And when we show the 1000 users in Laravel view, then it will conflict the view. So we will use the pagination to show the users records. For example, we want to show only 10 user on first page, and in the second page when we click on the next link, then we will show the next 10 users. So let us see how to use the pagination practically. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So these are the users which we have already created in the previous video and already shown in this page in the previous video. Only I have used Bootstrap. I think you have already familiar with Bootstrap. I have only used Bootstrap for the styling purpose only. We have already written this code. Only I have imported the Bootstrap CSS and JS, and already I have written the code for show the users in the controller. So let us see how to use the pagination. For example, we want to show the only first 5 users in this page. So for that we need to write the code paginate, and we will pass the number of the users which we want to show on the view. For example, I want to show the only 5 users on first page, and save this page and refresh this page. Now you can see we are able to see only 5 users. Now we are not able to see the next 5 users. For that we need to customize our users page. So let us see how to use span users and links. Save this file and refresh this page. Now you can see we have two buttons, previous and next, and you can see this is conflicting the styles. So let us manage this style. Display none. Save this file. So again refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting the links. For example, we want to show back in first page. Now you can see the previous button is automatically disabled and the next button is enabled. Now when we click on the next, now you can see the URL is also changing and we are getting the next 5 users. For example, we want to show 3 users per page, then we will pass here only 3 and save this page. Now again refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting 3 links. For example, we want to go back in first page. Now click on first, and we want to go in third page. Now click on third. Now you can see we have implemented the pagination in Laravel. So in this video we have learned how to use the pagination in Laravel and how to manage the pagination in Laravel view. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.